So let's start by reviewing the four components that make up a VLOOKUP. We're going to move through this rather quickly, so if you've never used VLOOKUPs before, I suggest using one of the links in the resources below. There are four components: the lookup value, data array, column index number, and range lookup. The lookup value is the value or key to be found in the dataset. A VLOOKUP always looks for this value in the far left column of the dataset, and it only will return the first instance, so I suggest that this value is always unique. The data array is simply the dataset from which you are pulling data, so this will be the location in the Excel file of the data. The column index number is the column in the dataset from which you're pulling, so if you want the data from the fifth column over, then this should be 5. The range lookup should always be 0. We're not going to go into the details here, but this ensures that you have an exact match off your key. And this is a simple example of what a VLOOKUP would actually look like in Excel. Udacity being the lookup value, A1 to Z100 being the data array, 5 the column index, and 0 the range lookup. So let's do a quick practice. Here you have a small data set of Marvel heroes, and below you can see a code name of one of the heroes, Captain America. To fill in the cell next to actual name, use a VLOOKUP to pull Captain America's actual name from the dataset.